I've been dealing with tonsillitis and decided to try Fisherman's Friends and Lemon Mint Ricola Cough Drops. The Ricola drops gave me instant relief, so I took another and another, not realizing the active ingredient acts as a laxative. I used 16 drops in 2 hours, ignoring my intestines' warnings. During yoga class, I had a massive gas release, and the pain started. I finally read the bag and saw the warning. I made it home with my pants intact, but my kids vowed to never forgive me for the smell. It's been 8 hours and the effects are finally fading. I lost 10 pounds and considered buying adult diapers. Don't abuse cough drops.